Ziyakhathaza izibalo zabantu abahaqekile eGauteng. Asiyagcwala namagumbi eziguli ze-COVID kanti amanye asegcwele mfi. Lokhu kubeka izisebenzi zezempilo ngaphansi kwengcindezi.
After the conversation with the President and the Minister of Defence and military veterans, we have requested additional capacity to assist Gauteng in terms of military help that has moved into the province to assist us swiftly.
Nomlilo waqubuka esibhedlela iSharp Mucike ngombazi uphinde wabeka umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni ngaphansi kwenye ingcindezi.
The process is underway. We are hoping that in the coming weeks the engineers will assist in terms of finalizing the work and also giving the certification for occupation of the hospital.
INingizimu Afrika igxekwa kakhulu ngokushaya ngolonwabo kohlelo lwayo lokuthola eminye imigomo kwamanye amazwe. Kodwa ongoti bathi ukuhlola kwayo lemigomo bekungakuphuthulwa.
For the Sputnik, there are two applicants, and what they are doing is what's called a rolling review. So as they get data, they're submitting it to the regulator, and the regulator is reviewing that data on a continuous basis, and that speeds things up. That doesn't mean that you suddenly get a huge file of information that suddenly the data has to try and evaluate from all of those different perspectives. So that really speeds the process up.
INingizimu Afrika kulindele ukuthi ithole eminye imigomo ye-Pfizer eyizigidi ezingu-1.3 ingakapheli lenyanga.
We will immediately start rolling out two programs and followed by others. The first one is the education sector. Altogether in that sector, there are 582,000 people. That's the public and the private basic education sector, including all those employed on Purcell, the SGBs and the private educators. Many of these people have already been vaccinated, some because they're over 60 and some because they work as psychologists and others who are registered as healthcare workers. But the majority of people obviously still need to be vaccinated.